In this video, I'm going to show you how to install shaders for Minecraft 1.21.6. So the first thing we're going to want to do is actually install the iris shaders. Now I will leave a link in the description down below to this website right here. And once we are here, what we're going to want to do is actually click on the download button here. Click on this. And from here, what we're going to want to do is download the universal jar. Select that. And that will download. We're also going to want to download some shaders as well. Now to do that, I will leave a link in the description down below to this website, where we could download all sorts of shaders on this website, as you can see. Also very important, make sure you scroll down, and down here in game version, make sure you select in here and select the newest version for Minecraft, as this will show us all the newest versions that shaders is available for, so we'll select that. And on here, we can now see all these shaders here do support the newest version of Minecraft, which is 1.21.6. Now simply scroll through and have a look what shaders you'd like to install. Now for me, I think I'm going to do this top one just here, so I'm going to select on here. And once you are here, what you're going to want to do is come to Files, select that. And inside of here, we want to actually download the newest version, which is right here. And what we're going to want to do from here is select on the three little dots and select Download. Now while it's downloading, if you want to get yourself a Minecraft server, be sure to check out GChecks Gaming, as they have some really good high quality servers. And they also do come with a DDoS protection, so be sure to check them out the link in the description down below. Now we are on the desktop on my computer. From here, what we're going to want to do is actually come down to our File Explorer. And inside of here, we want to come to our downloads. And once you've come to your downloads, you should have two files in here. So if we just drag these out to your desktop, then click on X on this one here. Now, as you can see right here, we have got the Iris installer. Now, very important, make sure this is a coffee mug. Now, if this is not a coffee mug, you might need to install Java. I will leave a link in the description down below on how to install Java. And make sure you do restart your PC. And if it still has not come as a coffee mug, what you can do is right click on this file, come to Open With, then Open with Java just here, select that. And once you do that, this menu here will pop up. From here, make sure that the game version is the newest version, which is 1.21.6. You could do Iris only or Iris plus Fabric. Now for me, I'm going to be doing Iris only. And then from here, click on Install. And this shouldn't take that long at all to do. As you see, mine is now complete. From here, what we're going to want to do is select on the X button up here. And we can now get rid of this file. We don't need that one no more. Now what we need to do is actually install this shader pack. Now a very easy way to do this is actually load up your Minecraft launcher. Then once you load up your Minecraft launcher, down here automatically you should see your Iris and Sodium has it installed. Now if it's not in here, make sure you do select the little arrow button just there. Make sure you select that and you should be able to select it. If not, come to your installations up here and make sure your modded up here is selected, and that should work. Now to install our shaders, what we're going to want to do is actually come here to the little file icon, click that. Now what this will do is load up our Minecraft directory. Inside of here, we actually want to look for our shader pack, which is just down here. So once you are here, just simply select into the shader pack. And inside of here, this should be empty if you have not installed shaders before. Now if it's not empty, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure you just drag in your shader pack. So mine's right here. I'm going to drag that into here like that. And what we're going to do from here is click on the little X button. And now what we're going to want to do is come back over to your Minecraft launcher, come to play, and then make sure you click on play just here. Now if you get a warning on the screen like this is totally fine. Just do I understand, click on play. Now we are inside of our own world. What we're going to want to do from here is actually click on the escape key. And once you do that, come to options, come to video settings, and inside of here, what we need to do is come to shader packs up here, select that. And inside of here, our shader should be right here. Select that, then click on apply down here, then click on done. And now as you can see, the shaders has now installed. As you can see, the shader pack looks very nice. You can see the clouds quite nice as well. So this is how you install shaders for Minecraft.